3-in-1 rotating seasoning tank with lid. This seasoning tank is made of high quality 300 for stainless steel, which is sturdy and durable, environmentally friendly and safe. This seasoning pot consists of 3 seasoning pots, 300 milliliters each one, 3 spoons and 1 bracket. Each set of seasoning jar is equipped with a lid, which is healthy and hygienic. This condiment organizer are made of food grade 300 for stainless steel, which is strong, durable, and hygienic even if accidentally knocked over on the ground. It is not afraid of shattering. Made of high-quality stainless steel, strong, rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and easy to clean. The stable base can ensure correct installation without tipping over, and assembly is convenient and quick. This seasoning pot has a rotatable storage rack, and the bottom has a non-slip PC pad. The texture is uneven, which can increase friction and protect the seasoning pot from slipping or tipping. A variety of different spices can be conveniently used by rotating the storage shelf.